Thank you, Ciara, and thank you, Leader. I want to raise an issue this morning that comes directly from my experience of working with people that have suffered from addiction and mental health over the years with Tiglin. Every day we're meeting individuals who are struggling not only with substance use but also with very real and serious mental health challenges, suicidal ideations, deep depression, trauma. And what is happening is they're not separate problems, they're intertwined. And yet we're seeing again and again when these individuals turn up at hospitals, at clinics, A&E, etc., they're told that actually we cannot treat you because you're under the influence of drugs. I had one issue last week, a young man in Limerick presented to the hospital and he was suicidal and he was in trouble, and he went to the hospital looking for help. And he was told, unfortunately, he's under the influence of a substance, so they couldn't help him. But the problem is then when that person who then appears at a drug clinic for help, they say, sorry, it's a mental health issue. So it's an issue here, and people are falling through the gaps. And there should be no door that's a wrong door when you're seeking help. But for people with dual diagnosis, that is exactly what's happening. So, Leader, it's a glaring gap in the services. I know there has been work in the department to try and fill this gap, but it's happening every single day, and we're seeing it more and more, and my experience is this week. So we need integrated pathways. We need where addiction and mental health services work together and not separately. And we need clear clinical responsibility and proper resourcing, and a system that meets the likes of that young guy who turned up in Limerick, that meets him where he's at and not turn him around so he's sent around in circles. So this morning I'm asking you, Leader, to bring the matter to the Minister and to request a focused debate on dual diagnosis, because we need to address this gap. Until we do so, those people will be left in desperation. Thank you, Ciara, and thank you, Leader.